Hey guys, tonight, we're just sitting in the living room, just hanging out with me and my little puppy. Yeah, you're such a good girl. Such a good girl. Oh yeah. Just sitting and relaxing, chilling out. Say hi. Yeah, so we're just sitting, chilling out. As I just did a video of school club. So yeah. And yeah, just chilling out. Comment, like, subscribe, and bye.